Hey everyone, in this quick After Effects tutorial, I'll show you how to create this shape transformation. I've animated this round shape with 2 position keyframes. With no layer selected, we choose the rectangle tool. Double click on it to create a new shape. We decrease the size to 540 by 540 pixels. Then position it somewhere in the bottom half of the comp. Then we turn the layer into an effect layer or adjustment layer to be correct. Then we add a transform effect and increase the scale. So within the shape, the round shape is scaled up. You could also change the position. You can add more effects, like the fill effect, to recolor it within the shape. Then we duplicate the shape. Position it somewhere in the top half of the comp. And change the fill color. Awesome! You should add more shapes and try out different effects.